Dear students, I welcome you in this topic on index numbers. Let us see the outline of topics that we will be studying in index numbers. In index numbers, first we are going to see what are index numbers. Then we will see construction of index numbers. After that, we will see consumer price index numbers, cost of living index numbers. We will also study some standard price index numbers such as Laspeyres, Pastich and Fisher's index numbers. After that, we will go through some notations involved for price index numbers, and finally we will solve some examples, I mean numerical examples on index numbers. Let us see what are index numbers. Index numbers denote change in factors, activities which cannot be measured directly. For example, changes in economic activity of a country that cannot be measured directly. But it is possible to study relative changes in economic activity by studying variations in the values of some factors which affect economic activity and may be measured directly. Index numbers are commonly used in statistics for measuring the combined variations in a group of related variables. As an example, consider the problem of comparing price levels of consumer items today with the prices of consumer items 10 years ago. So here the problem is of comparison, comparing the prices today with comparing the prices which are 10 years ago. Means we have to study relative change in prices. Here we need to compare average price levels of different consumer items. We may compare the present agricultural production or say industrial production with that at the time of elections. Here again we have to consider all items of production, and each item may have undergone a different increase or decrease, that is a change, different increase or decrease, and thus we are measuring changes in prices. Let us see the precise definition of index numbers. Index numbers are statistical measures. Index numbers are statistical measures to show changes in a variable or a group of related variables with respect to time or geographic location, or other characteristics. A collection of index numbers for different layers, locations may also be called as an index series. Next is simple index number. A simple index number measures the relative change in a single variable with respect to some fixed base. A composite index number measures an average relative change in a group of relative variables with respect to some fixed base. The following are commonly used index numbers. These index numbers are: first, price index numbers, and second, quantity index number. So what are price index numbers? Price index numbers measure relative change in prices of commodities between two periods. So it is comparison, base period and current period. Comparison in two periods, base period and current period. Prices can either be retail or wholesale. Quantity index numbers measure changes in physical quantity of goods which are produced, consumed or sold. These goods may be produced, consumed or sold. Basically, price index number denote changes in prices. So price index number denotes changes in prices, whereas quantity index number denotes changes in quantities. These quantities are of goods which might be produced, consumed or sold. So note the basic difference between price index number and quantity index number. In quantity index number, changes in quantities are recorded, whereas in price index numbers, changes in prices are recorded. The another type of index number is value index number. It denotes the change in values of goods which might be produced, consumed or sold. In next lecture, we will study several steps involved in construction of index numbers. Thank you.